Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike Soon and today we are unboxing and reviewing a TV that is high on performance but low on price. This is the ULED UHD TV of Hisense. This TV arrived a few days ago and I'm really excited to unbox it and try it out. This is actually one of their top-of-the-line models, the Hisense ULED 65-inch variant with the model number A6505. Okay, so we have an average size space at home where the living room and dining room is at the same space. So I thought maybe having a 65-inch TV might be too big for us. But since we're upgrading from our 40-inch LED TV, we might as well go big, right? Alright, on to the unboxing. This is me doing a very bad job unboxing the TV. You don't have to do that actually. After cutting all of the tapes, all you have to do is lift the box itself to reveal the TV. You don't need to carry the TV out of the box like we did. Since the lockdown and quarantine season, the family has been spending more time at home in the living space. All we do is watch movies and finish TV series together. While we all have our devices with us, TV time has been our bonding time or quality time. TV time has been our source of entertainment and also where we get our updates on what's happening outside and about the pandemic. Another reason why I decided to invest in upgrading our TV and get that Hisense A6505 is I'd be able to enjoy 4K contents on the TV. May it be movies or watching UHD YouTube videos and so much more. Gaming on this TV has also stepped up. Playing my games in the PS4 Pro has been so satisfying because it creates that really big, immersive gaming experience. And dude, I tell you, TV never felt so real. If you look at it, it looks really good. It's premium, stylish, designed is sleek and slim, which would fit in whatever space you have, even if it's small like ours. The bezels are really thin and you won't even notice that there's a frame or a border on the TV. The Hisense A6505 ULED TV features ultra high def resolution and 2160 lines of pixels that refreshes simultaneously, displaying each scene and show in beautiful clarity. You can fully appreciate the details you see on screen. I can actually see the pores and other details on some of the shows that I'm watching. So, what is ULED and why is it special? ULED is a form of LED that uses light-emitting diodes to illuminate the display. Not all LEDs are created equal. A lot of tech and algorithm goes into producing a really nice LED TV. ULED or ultralight emitting diode is the one Hisense is using for their proprietary tech related to their LED TVs. So basically, ULED is an improved LED, and ULED has 4 key features: Ultra Color, Ultra HD Resolution, Ultra Smooth Motion, and Ultra Contrast. And they all work together to create the best contrast, color, motion, and details, giving you great picture quality in Ultra HD at 3840 by 2160 resolution. It has 4 times as many pixels as a full HD resolution. UHD makes you feel as if you're right in the middle of the action. Other features are the operating system, Vida, which is a simple and easy to use OS allowing you to access Netflix and YouTube and view connected devices. The View App Store is where you can download your favorite apps for streaming, playing games, reading the news, or checking what's happening in your social circle. AnyViewcast is one of my favorite features. Here you can wirelessly share your photos, music, videos from your mobile device to your TV. I even tried mirroring my laptop, which worked by the way. Now, talk about leveling up your virtual Zoom meetings. Last is the Remote Now. It's an app that you can download on your phone, which you can use as a remote control for your Hisense TV. It's going to look like this. So here you can easily access Netflix, YouTube for Kids, change sources, adjust the volume, play media on the TV, and so much more. If you check out the back of the Hisense ULED TV, you can see that you have a lot of port options, enough for the rest of your entertainment systems. It has AV in, left and right for audio, and one for video, headphone, service, and LAN port. On the side, you have 2 USB ports, 1 digital audio out, 3 HDMI ports that supports 4K and an antenna. Every TV comes with a base stand, which is really sturdy, really hard, can really support the size of the TV. It also comes with a wall mount bracket. Placing the TV in the middle of the room makes it the center of attention. It also draws in people together, which is really nice. I also noticed that this TV has a really nice viewing angle. Wherever you stay in the couch, may it be on both ends or at the end of the room, you can still watch and view what you're watching properly. So aside from these features, the high dynamic range, the amazing 4K resolution with boosted brightness, there is another huge benefit versus other LED TVs, which I will mention in a bit. So maybe you're asking, why Hisense? For those who may not be familiar, Hisense has been in the industry for 50 years now. They are recognized as the world leading provider of flat panel TVs, household appliance, and so much more. I also know that compared to other brands, Hisense provide premium TVs with high-end features at a fraction of the cost. Not just half, but more than half. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why I decided to go with this brand. It is so affordable for the feature that it has, and the quality is really nice. Price for 55-inch starts at $32,950, and the 65-inch is $50,950 less 10% when you purchase at the official store of Hisense at Lazada and Shopee. Actually, Hisense has a lot of TVs for you to choose from. They have LED TVs, they have smart TVs, this Ultra HD TV, and Laser TV. Laser TV. If you really want to upgrade your viewing experience, I suggest you check out what Laser TV is from Hisense. It is actually available now here in the Philippines, so do check that out. So, with all that said, if you guys are in the market or planning to upgrade, I suggest you guys check out what Hisense has to offer. Hisense is also available at leading appliance store nationwide. For more info and updates, visit their website hisense.com.ph and follow them on Facebook and Instagram. That is it for me, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like and share. Again, this is Mike Soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.